Okay, 2, 3. So today I'm going to show you how to use Kami, which is something we're going to be trying out in regards to completing our math work online because we've had a lot of issues with formatting. So I want to make sure that you understand what we're going to do and how it works. There are some steps, but we're going to get through it, okay? So in the other videos I posted, it was just how to actually download Kami and get it set up for your computer. There was a video of what to do like on the actual computer and another one for iPad. So please make sure you watch those videos as well. And this video is just going to show you actually how to use it and get into your assignments, okay? So you're already going to be into your math assignment like normal. If you have Google Chrome as your internet, listen to this part because this is what you're going to do. If you have Google Chrome, you just click on the assignment and it's up here. It's going to come up open with Kami and you're going to click on it. Okay. And then it's going to load for you. And then once it's loaded for you, you are going to, it'll show your toolbox, which is something we're going to go over in a little bit. And then you're going to look where it says turn in. This is where you turn in your assignments. I just want to make sure you understand that. It's going to be right here. You're going to click turn in when you're all done, okay? So this is what you do if you have Google Chrome. Now, if you don't have Google Chrome as your internet, you're going to come up here to the dots and you're going to scroll to where it says Kami and you're going to click on Kami, okay? Then it's going to say open from Google Drive. And then you're going to click Classroom, Mrs. Del Valle, and it's going to show up right here as your assignment. And again, it's going to come up your assignment that you need to complete, and all the pages that you need to complete will be there, okay, as well. So again, up here is where you turn in your assignment. When you're done, you're going to click turn in, okay? Now that you're in the assignment, when you first open the assignment, a button might pop up that'll ask you to run OCR. You need to click yes to OCR because that's what makes you able to edit this on the computer, okay? So I just want to make that clear. It will pop up and you just have to click yes. So now that we're in this, let's go over what you could do with Kami, okay? The very first thing is the text box. So the text box is basically that you could type, okay? So it would make a little box. You click and you can make the box as big as you need. You can make it as many times as you need, okay? So over here, I know that I'm going to have to type numbers in. So I could just type in the numbers as needed, okay? Over here, I know I need to type my name, so I can make another text box here, and I'm going to type my name in. So that's all this is pretty much, is just anytime we need to type in not like words or numbers, you're going to use your text box for that, okay? Then another big thing, because this is multiplication and division, this module, like the basics of it, which is a lot of drawings as well. So they have a drawing option. So this drawing option means you could do it on your own. You make what you want on your own. But they also give you the option of using shapes, okay? So you could do different shapes and it gives you whatever you need, okay? And you could also draw inside the shapes. So when we have to make our equal groups in our pictures, this is perfect for that, okay? So it gives you that option as well. So you have the drawing by hand, and then you have the option to put shapes. You also have an eraser. Make sure you go to the eraser that says drawing and shapes, and all you have to do is you click on it, and it takes away whatever you don't want, okay? So that's pretty simple too. And that's another good feature that they have there, okay? Another thing that I wanted to show you was text to speech. So for text to speech, the option that you would have is it could read to you. So it could read certain things, any words that you don't understand. It could read to you to help you, okay? So all you would have to do for text to speech is you would just highlight it like that.
Draw a take diagram to find the total.
And then it reads it just like it did. Okay, so it will just show you, you just highlight when you're in text.
5 groups of 2.
And it reads to you. Okay, so that's a really cool thing, especially over here when we have your application problem.
The flowers are blooming in Maria's garden. There are 3 roses, 3 buttercups, 3 sunflowers, 3 daisies, and 3 tulips. How many flowers are there is all a. Draw a take diagram to match the problem. B. Write a repeated addition equation to solve.
And you could obviously adjust. It even gives you like adjusting how fast they're reading, if they're reading too fast. But this is definitely a really cool feature to have for text-to-speech, especially with our application problems if you needed it. So I also want to show you that. They also have the option of highlighting. So like highlighting keywords, you would just put it on and then it automatically highlights a keyword for you. That's great to use, especially in our word problems. Like if I know I see the word all, I know that that's a keyword and it automatically highlights the word for me. Okay, so the main things, the text-to-speech and the highlighting are just extras for you. I just wanted to show you them. But the main things that you're going to be using to complete your homework is the text box for typing in your name and numbers, and the drawing and the shape tool for when you have to show pictures. Those are going to be your main things, okay? So we're going to try it out this week. We're going to see how it works. If you're still having trouble, I'm still taking pictures, so you don't have to panic. You could just, again, write the answers on a paper and send them to me through Dojo. I don't want anyone stressing about this. I just figured this was another option to try out because it can't hurt us to try it to see if it'll work. I'm here to answer any questions. I could walk you through it, help you through it. And then if those of you that want to keep working with it, that's great. And whoever is still struggling with it and wants to just write the answers and send me pictures, that's great as well. Just remember again, when you're done, you're going to come up and you're going to go, right now it doesn't have it because it's under my name, but when it's the teacher one, the student one, like I showed you before, it will have the option up here to turn in, and that's what you're going to do to turn in your work. It will have everything that you did, all the drawings, everything that you had. It will all be there for you to turn in, so that way I'll see all of that on your paper. Okay, so any questions, just let me know. Watch all the videos. We're going to start this tomorrow. Okay, we're going to try it out and see how it goes.